Linh mà she say kinh cầu đi ha. A mother is necessary in every family. Okay. Giờ chúng muốn Linh nhỉ chị. Chị Linh chị khó là chị nói khó chị không khó. So this next song is very special to me because song is very special to me because it's a 20 Mother's Day now. I sing the song for my mom. Okay. It's Linh Nhạc. It's okay, dude. There will be nothing that will compare to a mother's love. Như chỉ mua chị phí tao cái lúc đó cũng như na, cái gì na, Linh Nhạc. Nothing will compare. Chị đang lấy xứ hôn nhân nó. She was full of life. You know, it's to rồi thật sự không là mình always say me David, me Alex. Thôi, tôi muốn chụp hơi không đúng. Ôn tay nó bình thường me David. Rồi lúc có tiền nữa. Tôi cũng chỉ muốn stroke. Tôi cũng chỉ muốn stroke rồi. Ôi mẹ ơi quỷ. Me David. Có chỉ muốn stroke cái nếu có trong gì à? Có tiền để trong à? Không nhỉ? Tập cái tao này, thằng đứa tao này. Để trong gì à? Không nhỉ? Ô, bà chịu chào nó, ô bà chịu chào kinh cầu đi nữa. Bà chịu bán này kinh cầu, bà chịu nó chịu chỉnh nó. Ô cái gì rong nữa. Đâu xe gì mà chịu đó, mình nói đó. Mà phụ nhà mà nhưng always sao bây giờ thế always sao bây giờ gì mà chịu đó. Nó quay cho mình nhỏ. You know, there's only one way you're gonna see your mom. Well, it's okay. Only one way you're gonna see your mom, and that's only if you believe in God, and you take Jesus in your heart. That's the only way you're gonna see your mom again. Okay? So I just wanna let you guys know and encourage you guys, you know, take Jesus in your heart because Phauj Nyiaj is real, okay? There's only one way that you guys are gonna see your mom again. And we're so thankful because our mom passed away too, and you know, we're happy for we didn't see her suffer anymore. You know, and as Kerr and I were talking, you know, Kerr mentioned that you know, tiêu dùng chỉ tốt là, you know, number who had a bit out there, you know, they're going to reduce the medication for our mom. We're so happy, you know, that she was getting better, you know, and I'm thinking about that, you know, Kerr, and, you know, sometimes it's better to see someone that's healthy leave this earth because people in there and you suffer so much pain, you know, and now that she's in heaven, we're so happy because she was no more pain. And your mom, okay? So I just want to encourage you guys, you know, God is real. This whole funeral, I just want you guys to take back, you know, Phauj Nyiaj, she's a beautiful mother, and I just want you guys to understand that, you know, her life was dedicated around God. Okay, it's okay, that's how she was able to be so strong. Okay. Thế biết bao giờ linh niệm mà nhưng một cái doanh chấp lời anyone, all the mothers out there, okay,คือพ่อเนี่ยมายิ่งวิ่งพอจะคุยยังพวกมาก okay, ยังพวกจะcái doanh that they know, but and she says, you know, why is all this happening? She cries because her heart is okay? Lucia, very good-hearted. And so, okay, because Jesus, Lucia, okay, because Phauj Nyiaj, okay. So it's okay. Not going on. You know, I just want to encourage you guys. Is a time to remember and celebrate your mother as well. Okay. And on top of that, you know, go back home and love each other even more. Okay. Then you try to love each other even stronger. You know, to have a good future, okay? So if anything, take back in this funeral and love each other even more, okay?
Mùa gió xiên lò đi thang chúa chia nhà câu chuyện hà yo cũng nia ủa tụt cho cô tao nó lo yo cũng mùa hát đây lo bi lu cũng to